Hi, it is Owly again and welcome to my second episode. Today's episode is dedicated to graphic wannabe designers. Graphic design is the process of visual communication and problem solving through the use of typography, photography, and illustration. Graphic designers create and combine symbols, images, and text to form visual representation of ideas and messages. Because Owly cares for you, here's Owly's no one pick for creating astonishing graphic designs. Inkscape. Inkscape is professional quality vector graphics software used by design professionals worldwide for creating a wide variety of graphics such as illustrations, icons, logos, diagrams, maps, and web graphics. Its slogan is "Draw freely", which indicates that this software is open source, which means that it's free to use software. In addition, here are some beautiful illustrations made in Inkscape. If you are willing to try this software, a link to downloads page will be in the description. Don't forget to tell us in the comments, did you like the software and do you need any tutorials? Very soon, new program will start on Hype Tech, which will lead you the most recent news in the world of technology. Thanks for watching and I please for sharing.